Lily from Dya Australia, and we are here at Melbourne Uni doing an activation for Orientation Week, and we are completing all of these faces to fill up our letters. And yeah, students are all kind of sitting down and filling out their faces. So some are doing it in 5 minutes, some are taking like half an hour. You can really do whatever you want and express yourself with all the different coloured paint pens. So we're having a great time.
Just some examples.
More over here.
You're just gonna try and like make like when you. I feel like when you start, you like move it.
Anyone love writing? People.
Oh, not now. Like this, like.